In the heart of a bustling city, where the noise of traffic and the rush of people often drown out the softer moments of life, Sarah, a lonely elderly woman, found herself struggling. Her frail arms were laden with heavy grocery bags, and each step seemed more daunting than the last. The city, with its towering skyscrapers and hurried pace, seemed indifferent to her plight as she slowly made her way down the crowded sidewalk. Amidst the throngs of people, a young student named Alex noticed Sarah's difficulty. He was on his way home from university, his backpack slung over one shoulder, when he saw her struggling to balance the bags. Without a second thought, Alex approached Sarah with a warm smile and offered to help, a simple gesture that marked the beginning of an unexpected friendship. As they walked together, Sarah began to share stories of her life, speaking fondly of her late husband, who had been her partner in all things, including her passion for gardening. Her eyes lit up as she described the vibrant flowers and lush greenery that once filled her garden, now overgrown and neglected. Alex listened intently, his heart touched by her memories and the love she still held for her husband. Inspired by Sarah's stories and the bond they had formed, Alex decided to take action. He envisioned a project that could bring Sarah's garden back to life and, in doing so, bring the community together. With enthusiasm and determination, Alex rallied his friends and neighbors, sharing Sarah's story and inviting them to join in the effort to renovate the garden. The project quickly gained momentum, transforming from a simple renovation into a community event. People who had once been strangers came together, sharing tools, laughter, and stories as they worked side by side. The garden, once a forgotten corner of Sarah's life, became a vibrant hub of activity, fostering new connections and revitalizing the community spirit. Sarah's garden, now blooming with life and color, became more than just a testament to her love for gardening. It stood as a symbol of kindness and unity, a reminder to everyone that small acts of compassion can have a profound impact, transforming lives and bringing people together in ways they never imagined possible.